guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. I recently did an updated skincare routine of how I do my face during the day, but guess what? During the night, it's different. So I just have a few things that I tweak. So basically it's pretty much all the same if you guys did watch my daily skincare routine, but at night I do tweak some products that are more specific for nighttime use. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do it, the demonstration, and I'm also going to be showing you guys 2 updated products that I've been adding into my skincare routine that I'm pretty excited about because the glow is real, y'all, okay? So I kind of am filming this intro a little after I did everything, so if you're seeing a little redness, it's from the products that I've been using in the video, but I'll explain that a little bit later. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me and hit that subscribe button because I do drop a lot of content on this channel related to skincare, makeup, and guess what? We got wigs too on this channel if you're interested, okay? So stay tuned if you guys want to see step-by-step of how I do my skincare nighttime routine. Choop. Hey friends, let's go ahead and get started. So I already went ahead and cleansed my face off camera. You guys can check out my cleanser video on the different cleansers I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this steamer. I did go in depth about a steamer and how to use it in my last skincare video. I'll leave that also in the cards. This is good, y'all. I love this step. I recently started adding it within the last couple of months, and I really notice a difference. I don't do this step all the time, but when you do it, you check your phone, drink something, whatever you drink, or you know what? We could even do our nails, you know, don't press on nails be popping off. We got to get it in some time to fix it. Anyway, nobody's judging. Whatever you choose to do in this 2 to 10 minutes is your business. But I love to unwind and just relax while I'm doing this. I really look forward to steaming my face, y'all. Next, I go on with this new product I've been using. I found it off Amazon. It's a Blackhead Pore vacuum remover. It has like different speeds and stuff, so you can adjust the speed to whatever your skin tolerates. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, I've been talking about it in my stories and showing you guys how much I love it. Like, this is my new toy, y'all. I love this thing. It comes with some tools and also some different probe adapters. I got first introduced to this product when I went to Sephora and I got like a facial done, and I was in love. So the fact that I can do it at home, I'm all for it. I'll leave a link below to where you guys can get this if you're interested. So I like to use my steamer while I'm doing it. If you don't have a steamer, you can use a warm washcloth and kind of moisten or steam your face. But I like to use it because of the moisture. I noticed that sometimes my face gets a little bit like it dries by the time I'm ready to use it. So I just like to keep the steamer on. And it just sucks out like all the dead cells. I've talked about exfoliation before, but this really gets in those pores and pulls out all those blackheads, all those whiteheads. And I really like it. Definitely talk to a doctor or do some research before you use it, because this is something that is usually professional use by an esthetician. I'm not an esthetician, y'all. I just read and do the best I could do in life. You know what I'm saying? So do some research, because sometimes there's like mixed reviews on using this and who should use it or how you should use it. I'm not even sure if how I'm using is right, but I was kind of always taught to kind of go up. Initially, I started doing it down, but I don't know, y'all. I'm just making stuff up as I go. I'm just playing, or am I? But I really like it, y'all. You see how it sucks? That's kind of how I have a couple like spots on my face, because I was showing y'all how it really sucks all that stuff out of your skin. So your face probably will be a little red after using this. This is normal. I noticed that it kind of clears up after a couple days, but I don't recommend using this more than once a week. Like, start with once a week, and then maybe you could go to like 2 or 3 times a week, but I only like to use it once a week. So this is pretty much what comes out. It's pretty gross, but yeah, I thought I should show y'all. So next, I like to go on with this new detox mask that I've been using. It's a green tea mask from TEAMI Blends. I'll leave a coupon code down below. You guys can save 20%. It also comes with a spatula, which is great for applying the mask, and I really like it because it helps like smooth on the product onto my skin. So it's really thick, so I like it for smoothing on this product. I like to go on with a mask after either my steamer or in this case the Blackhead remover, you know, because my pores are nice and open. I really have been enjoying this product. If you guys have been following me again on my Instagram, Miss Khrissy, I've been showing you guys this in my stories, how I really like it. I like how it's good for my pores. You know, different masks have different uses, but this one is more pore specific to kind of close your pores and tighten your pores. So I really like to use it after I do the steamer and the Blackhead remover. So I'll definitely do an updated video on this mask, so stay tuned for that, because I want to show you guys exactly like how it's been benefiting me and all of that. But so far so good, and I really do enjoy using this mask.
20 minutes later.
So the mask gets nice and hard and dry, and I really like that. Like, I could barely move my face, y'all. But it's nice to close my pores, so let's go ahead and rinse it. So after I use my mask, I go in with my toner. I've talked about toners before, but this one is specific to dark spots. I like to use an exfoliating cotton pad, and this toner in particular, it has a high concentration of AHAs, which help reduce like dark spots and fine lines and smooth out your skin. So this is definitely great for treating like hyperpigmentation. AHAs are also good for improving like the tone and the texture of your skin, and not just hyperpigmentation. So next I go in with my serum, more specific for nighttime, my retinol serum. This is a high dose retinol, and retinols are only supposed to use at night. Check out this kit here. You can get all these products that I mentioned just to kind of like save some money and not have to buy everything individually. So I just smooth on the serum. Retinols also make you a little bit more sensitive to sunlight, so that's why you're using it at night. I'll leave a link in the cards of different serums I use during the day if you guys are interested in that. So then I like to go on with my moisturizer. I've been using this Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream Moisturizer. This is like my favorite moisturizer right now. I've really seen an improvement with my skin, with like the glow and the moisture and everything. So I just put the moisturizer on all over my face. You can use your hands or you can use a brush, but I'm using my hands. It's nighttime, we are tired, we're going to bed, okay? And last but not least, we're topping it off with my face oil. I have mentioned face oils before, but these are more specific for nighttime use. I like to use either one of these, but today I'm just using my retinol one. It depends on what my skin needs at the time. It comes out blue and then you rub it and it's clear, and you just kind of gently press it into your face, but depending on what my skin needs is the oil or the products that I use. Make sure you get your neck. People forget the neck, and that's pretty much it. We are ready for bed. We're nice and glowy. Skin is feeling amazing, and we are doing this. We are ready to go to sleep. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.